Students can also access the classrooms via the code through their own student accounts. So to do that, first of all, I'm in my teacher view right here. I'm going to copy the class code. So if I were to click here, it is copied. So now the students, what they can do is they can go around and then go to join your class. So once they go to join your class, they can add in the code right here. So I'm just going to go around and then click on go to my class. So what they can do is they can join the nickname or they can use their own email or username. So I'm just going to go to Google because I'm going to sign in with Google right here. So it goes to the Autodesk sign in page as you can see. So it's loading, and then what happens is that it gets redirected so that it is signed on with the student account. And once they do, now what is happening is that it is being joined as a student right here. So now if I were to go around, and I'm just going to go around after full screen, if I were to refresh this page, then in my teacher view, I should be able to see my other account. So it says this is not a seat, but this is an account, as you can see. So now whatever they do, let's say for example, if I were to go around right here, whatever they do, I'll be able to moderate it from here. So this is a different type of sign-in option provided by Tinkercad. And that is how students can join in classes with the approval code from their own account. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.